How to fix Instagram Explore page. Open your Instagram app. Tap the profile down in the bottom right corner. Tap the three stripes up in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy at the top. Then tap Account Center. Then you want to tap Your Information and Permissions. Then you want to tap Search History. And then you want to tap Clear All Searches. And then All Time. Then leave this page. Go to the front page again. And then tap the search symbol down on the left. And from here you want to go through it and see what post you are interested in. You want to tap and long hold the post you are not interested in. Let's say I'm not interested in cars. I just long hold this and then I tap not interested. Let's say I'm not interested in food. I tap this and then I tap, no, that's an ad, sorry. Let's say I'm not interested in running. I just tap this and not interested. And over time Instagram will learn what posts you are interested in and your search will be much more after you. This is how you fix Instagram Explore page. I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.